and you join me here at SPE Offshore Europe 2023 here on the Louisiana Economic Development stand. And I'm here to talk specifically to Pete Hoffman from, now Pete, tell us, what is your business?
We're in Lafayette, Louisiana.
And what is it you do? Tell us a little bit about your business.
Well, we manufacture mixing units for the drilling equipment, drilling rigs, and we also have chemicals for the production and the drilling side of the business.
So your business is Hoffmann Ventures, and you're based in Louisiana, I imagine. And is that where the majority of your clients are currently there?
No, actually, the majority of clients are over in the Middle East and in Asia.
So talk to me about you being here. I know from what you've told me previously, it's your first time here offshore Europe with your own venture, Hoffman Ventures. Why offshore Europe for your company?
Well, we wanted to see how much opportunity was here in the area. We've been here before and we've been successful. So,
talk to me about your products. Then you've got some product here on display. Talk me through what exactly you do.
Well, we manufacture high shear mixing units, and we also have specialty chemical products. And they both go hand in hand because your mixing units actually mix your chemicals.
So some interesting devices here then. The Hoffman Ventures stand. Pete, thank you for your time here at SPE Offshore Europe, part of the Louisiana Economic Development stand.